latest updates, subscribe to News9.
People around the world have been negatively impacted by the coronavirus pandemic. In India, the situation is worse as the pandemic has worsened the pre-existing gender gap problems. Women in India are already the victim of gender gap issues in areas of employment, wages, and education. The World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Index 2020 has ranked India at 112th position out of 153 countries. In India, less than a quarter of the female population is engaged in the labor force. This is among the lowest male-to-female labor force in the world. Women in India earn 35% lesser than men on an average. Women only contribute to 18% of India's economic growth. The lockdown imposed to curb the spread of COVID-19 and the subsequent economic turmoil has affected women more than men. Among the millions of migrant workers who fled cities for their hometown, many were women and children. The entire Exodus incident has caused a lot of worry and concern for women and children. Women are overrepresented in vulnerable professions like healthcare, thus endangering their lives due to the pandemic. Women in informal jobs like domestic work and agriculture have suffered reduction or loss of income without the support of benefits that formal jobs offer. Women in the informal job sector are also risking their health while working during the current times without a safety net or sufficient federal assistance. As per estimates by Oxfam India, India will face an economic loss of around $216 billion due to women losing their jobs to the pandemic. This will knock off around 8% of the country's gross domestic product. Professional women in India are bearing the brunt of the pandemic-induced gender gap woes too. Female employment in April 2020 was at 61% of the pre-lockdown yearly average. However, employment among men at the same time was at 71% of the pre-lockdown yearly average. Experts believe women employees are less likely to be employed than men. Female employment in April was at 61% of the pre-lockdown yearly average. For men, it was 71%. Women employed in the pre-lockdown phase were 23.5 percentage points less likely than men to be employed post-lockdown. The pandemic is also fueling the deep-set beliefs of social inequality. There has been a twofold increase in complaints of domestic violence since the beginning of the lockdown. Some companies are still practicing work from home. This has caused women to juggle household chores, childcare, and work.